There are a number of things that you don't want to have happen when you go racing. At the top of that list is a crash. However, if you've been around racing long enough, you know all too well that it's only a matter of time before a crash could happen to you. Sergio Flaco Gonzalez, owner of Flaco's Performance and Tuning in Pasadena, Texas, took out his S-10 Chevy truck to race for the first time in no prep, only to hit the wall, forcing the truck to undergo a rebuild. Sergio, who's better known by his nickname Flaco, rebuilt the S-10's engine with a single-turbo 450 cubic inch LS, and it's our Engine of the Week.
Engine Builder's Engine of the Week is sponsored by Pengrade, Precision Performance Pengrade, always the original green oil. Elring Das Original, leading technology, leading service. Scat Crankshafts, everything for your LS engine. And NPW and Engine and Performance Warehouse, for all your parts needs.
Hey everyone, I'm Kelsey Mayer for Engine Builder, and today we're talking about the details of Flaco's Performance and Tuning's build of a 450 cubic inch single turbo LS engine. The LS is in Flaco's S-10 Chevy truck named Toxic. After suffering that crash racing no prep, Flaco now races Toxic in limited drag radial, where he's gone as fast as 410 at 182 miles per hour. Helping the 450 LS achieve that performance is a single turbo from Forced Inductions, their GT55 107mm. Internally, the engine features a dart block, a center counterweighted crank, aluminum rods, and Wiseco pistons. The cylinder heads are inline massed LS7 heads, which pair to a CID intake. When Flaco first got this engine done, a friend of his did the work. When it was time for an engine refresh, Flaco took the LS to Naser Racing Engines for cylinder headwork. In the valve train for this build, Flaco went with Inconel exhaust valves and titanium intake valves, and the camshaft is a solid roller cam from Lil Jon's Motorsports. Running on alcohol and 45 pounds of boost, Flaco says this 450 cubic inch LS engine cranks out an impressive 2,700 horsepower. Well, that does it for this episode of Engine of the Week. A special thanks to our sponsors, Pengrade 1, Scat Crankshafts, Elring, NPW Companies, and Engine and Performance Warehouse. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have an engine you'd like to see featured, please email our editor, Greg Jones, at gjones@babcocks.com. Thanks for watching.